Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. If you're new, my name is Patricia. I have lost 90 pounds on this carnivore journey, but holidays came and I had lots of fun with my family and I ate. So I did gain some weight, and that's why we are doing a January carnivore challenge, which I love to share tips, tricks, recipes, how-tos, and so on and so forth. But a lot of you guys know that we are moving, and you guys even want to see our house. So today's video will be all about that. I will be sharing our house, and I'll be doing a house tour. Now, I did remove a lot of stuff. If you guys have seen my previous videos, you know I have been boxing up a lot of stuff. My meals have been looking very different than my previous videos, but it's all part of the journey. It's all part of life. So, and I keep saying, you have to take life as it comes. You take it one day at a time and a whole lot of prayer. So let me share with you guys my dream kitchen. This is the kitchen that Callan gave me, basically, because everything that you're gonna see in our house was to our liking. It was custom made. So it's gonna be so hard to move, but it is what it is. Now, without further ado, let me share with you guys how large my kitchen actually is. This is my dream kitchen, you guys. Everything that you're gonna see is designed by us. All right, lots of looking and experimenting and yeah, but this is my dream kitchen, you guys. As you can see, it's massive. I love it. Okay, now to the details. Let me show you. So we have a oversized island. It's 11 by, oh, you know what? I have the list here. 11 by 5, right there. 11 by 5. So I actually made a list because anybody that wants more information, they can see everything that we've done inside. So under our island, I have storage. Right where the chairs are, 2 doors open, 2 doors open, 2 doors, okay, so on and so forth. Lots and lots of storage space, very large island. This is quartz countertop, and I love that the island is like a bluish gray, really kind of matches with the white. I wanted white, you guys. I love clean, but a little pop of color. Pantries in the corner, fridge. Now this is a microwave oven unit. Love it. If you guys are like debating what should you do, highly recommend that. It's so convenient. So on this side, dining area. Had lots and lots of friends and family come and join us. And I love that little saying, little Bible verse. And as you turn here, you have the living space. You have a sliding door to the patio. Our backyard. It's a little bit more than a 1/4 acre. Lots and lots and lots of space to do lots and lots of stuff. Yes, my laptop is on my island. This is where I usually answer you guys' questions, look for recipes, you know, looking, exploring. But love all the storage. I love pull-out drawers, which, you guys, one thing I do love about these drawers is they are deep. Now I did take out a lot of stuff, so this is gonna look very bare. You should have seen it before. It was stacked. Soft close, dovetail, the tops, which we also did these custom. I just love the detailing of this. I feel like it breaks up a little bit, so it's not all just solid cabinets. You have some kind of feature, some kind of like little design. Custom hood, love crown molding. Anybody else with crown molding? I know that used to be very popular in the 80s, 90s, but I'm old school. We have the farmhouse sink. Love, 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 love how deep this is. I have a regular stovetop, oven. I have my tri-tip, which this is what I'm having. It is Wednesday right now. If you guys want to see how this turns out, check out my next video in what I eat in a week, third week. So that's that. So I did mention about the pullouts. There's a whole lot of storage space. And you have custom dividers, which again, if you love to cook and you need lots of storage, I mean, this is so convenient putting your pans like this. So that's that. Microwave, oven, lots and lots of pull-out drawers. Okay, and now for the pantry. So Callan actually built this custom built-in mini fridge shelf. Lots and lots and lots of storage. If you guys love to cook, you know that you need lots of storage space, lots of shelves. So this is a walk-in pantry. Thank you, honey. So let's close the door. Let me show you the laundry room. First of all, I'm obsessed with these tiles. As soon as I saw them, they just made me happy. So this is our laundry room. And there's a lot of space. So we didn't do too much here. You can definitely do like a mud wall right here, because this is the garage, which I will not share with you the garage. I have too many stuff there. But you walk in the house and this is what you see right away. The kitchen. You have the living area, which you guys, I wanted to do something a little special. I put this screen with snow and trees because here in Arizona, we don't have snow unless you go to Flagstaff. So we have the fireplace, and then with the snow, I'm like cozy, right? It's still January, we have snow. So this is our living area. This is also custom built. The shelves, you have the quartz countertop, storage inside, fireplace. We have vaulted ceiling. My husband definitely wanted something unique, and he got these little air vent, they're not little, these air vents. So basically everything in this home is custom. Super large fan to cover both sides, living area, kitchen. Okay, let's move on. Let's go and check out the bedrooms. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Yes, we will. Amen. Straight away, we have the bathroom. Again, connected the tiles. This is a simple full bathroom. The tub with a shiplap. Simple bathroom, but again, I wanted to connect the laundry with this bathroom because of the tiles. And then here, this is where my office used to be. But this is a bedroom. You have the closets here. This is where I kept all of my Young Living, all of my supplies. So very, very decent sized bedroom. You can use it for an office or bedroom, nursery, baby's room, whatever you want. Can lights throughout the house, so that you will see. And then down here, this is an ensuite bedroom. So we have, again, some shiplap. We have lights in the walls, very decent size closets. Let me share with you guys what it looks from this side. So this is the bedroom. It has its own ensuite. So here we did, again, custom. Everything in my house is custom because this is a designer tile, which I love it. It's calm, it's peaceful, it's zen. And then you have the rainfall shower head. You have a floating toilet. This is Callan. He definitely wanted European style, so that is what we did. Tiles go all the way to the ceiling. Again, that's a Kellen. We have the niches with the designer tile inside. So that is this ensuite bathroom. Next, we have our master room. Callan did a lot of stuff in this house. I mean, it was for us, right? So he gave me this very beautiful custom-made decor wall. Can lights again. We do have a TV, a built-in TV. This is actually going to remain with the house because it was made for this size. Next up, we've got a walk-in closet. And yes, the majority is mine. I have these two and that right there. Of course, a woman needs room for shoes and purses. Kellen has this. Okay, next up, let's go to the bathroom. Bathroom has a large soaking tub, which obsessed. Walk-in shower. This is an 8-jet panel. You have the shower head and you have the waterfall. So I love this panel. Now, sorry, my towels are there. I took a shower today, so hence you see water. You have a double vanity sink with some shelvings. The tiles, again, we picked out everything. This one goes all the way to the ceiling and it's literally half the bathroom. There is my scale that I keep telling you guys about. Love that scale, very accurate. So this is our bathroom and our master from this angle. We have vaulted ceilings in the master. The 2 bedrooms are flat, but I love it that it's super large. And again, we have that specific special order vent. I mean, you guys, this is such a cozy, comfy bedroom. But one thing that I absolutely love, oh, I forgot to mention, we put in the boutique lights. Again, I wanted something like fancy schmancy. So if I turn off the light, look how pretty. Yeah, that's just me. I like things to be different. All right, so when you walk out of the master, you turn in, I mean, come on, look at this. This is what I get to see first thing in the morning. Well, once I get out of bed. You have in the entryway, this custom, Kellen of course did this again with the tiles, the mirror, the light. We have a little chandelier, the door, and this little tile piece. So Kellen installed all hardwood floors because, you know, he does hardwood floors. But this is what our home looks like. Vaulted ceilings, everything is custom. But my favorite is, of course, this kitchen. It's gonna be hard for me to give this kitchen away. And I love that I still have this map up of everybody that has watched my videos. You guys have shared where you're from. I'm still waiting for a lot of Europe. I did get some Africa, Brazil, North America. You guys are really doing good. Canada, catching up. But this is what I have in my home. Here it is, you guys. This is our little home tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Love hearing from you guys. And if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe. Promise more carnivore recipes, tips and tricks and stuff like that. But like I mentioned before, our channel is called Our Life Journey. So I'll be sharing with you guys basically what happens in our life. So major thing in our life is us selling our home. In order for us to start a new chapter, a new journey, this is what we have to do. I'm probably gonna cry, but it's okay. I pray that the next person that lives in this home is abundantly blessed because we have been so blessed with this house. I mean, lots and lots of prayer in this house and lots of patience in this house as we did what we wanted to do. I mean, like I mentioned, this is what me and Callan wanted. So it wasn't we didn't buy the house to flip it and sell it. I mean, we've been living in here for 6 years. Everything that we've done, it was to our taste and our like. And we were expecting to live here many, many more years. But God has other plans for us. And in order to go forward and take what God has, this is the step that we have to do. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to share our life journey with your friends and family if you guys are wanting to start a carnivore lifestyle or just get started with carnivore and you guys need recipes, tips and tricks, because that's the majority of my videos. But you guys have asked for a home tour, so here it is. But till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.